Hey guys, this is an update video on this Schumacher 15 amp battery charger from the Walmart. So I did a video for reviewing this, but this is an update. It's showing right now 92%, and then it says it's a 12 volt battery, and then back to 92. So that's the percent. So the problems I'm having here is that this thing is very erratic. I'm keeping like a kind of a log of what's going on. I'm gonna explain in a second, but just to get this thing to work, it is a lot of problems. Like initially when I got it, it was working no problem, no issues for a few weeks. When I got it in November, so that's the first log entry I have here. So for the first week or two, it was fine, and then all of a sudden, when I turn it on, it's saying it's a bad battery, and this is a 2017, so it's a F-150, so this is a big battery. The battery is still good. You know, there it is over there. So I got it all connected, the red to the positive, and the black to the ground piece of the frame here, and then I plug it into the wall. So right now it's at 92. It's slowly going up. So the way I got it to work today is I just turned it on. I pressed the start button, and then I noticed it wanted to. It does this all the time though. It wants to put it into the boat instead of the car battery. So I left it on boat, and then also this one. It always, for some reason, sometimes it's on standard. Sometimes it goes to AGM. And I'm pretty sure that's a lead acid, so it's a standard battery. Pretty sure, like I'm not positive, but so it was on standard, and then when it now it's at 93. When it noticed it was a 12 volt battery, it took a while, like a minute, and then it went to AGM, and then it showed me the percent. It started charging, so then I reset the boat to the car battery, and this one from AGM to standard, and it maintained my percentage. So it's showing that it's getting charged. It's increasing the charge, because when I initially plugged it in today and I pressed start, if I tried to put it as a car and a standard first, it would show that the battery is 100%, and it would say it's 12 volt, like a 12 volt battery, and it will say it's 100%. So that's not right, because this battery was sitting, it's the 31st now, so it was sitting for 3 days, and so this thing is quite erratic, because it was saying when I started, now it's at 93, but it started at like 83, so that doesn't make too much sense. That's only 3 days, and same thing over here from the 25th. If you can see here, from the 25th to the 28th, even though I ran the engine for 20 minutes and I verified that it was charging with a different gauge at 14 volts, it initially, when I plugged this one in after, it said it was 39%. That makes no sense, because on the 24th it was 100% charged. You know, so I'm keeping records here. So it seems to work, but it's kind of like erratic. Either way, for $40, it's still working. It's showing 94, so it's still appearing to get the job done. One time I actually had to run the engine first to get this thing to work. So yeah, like maybe to raise the voltage, I don't know. But that's like a good battery. You know, it's 12.4 volts. Like when I checked it today, after sitting 3 days, it was still 12.2 volts, according to this thing. So I'm just going to use it until I guess it stops working. I'm going to buy another one. I'm not going to buy one of these again. Like, I'm not really that happy with it. It does work, but I wouldn't buy it again. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Here's the model number, I guess. sc1323. You can see here. Here's the model. Okay, guys. Have a nice holidays.